thiku igana rimwe kuma Major General Mohammed Badi aneo matamu ma gucokia ururu wa uthio wa Nairobi ni acokete na riboti ya thiku icio igana kuri President Uhuru Kenyatta uria wa muthukiire wira ucio.
So the two urban renewal projects, Pangani and Jivanji, have been fast-tracked on operationalization of Matatu Terminal on Desai Park Road to ease traffic flow in CBD. We are constructing the seminar and it's 70% complete.
Badi arauga ungania wa giko kiria gikoretwo kihingite maniuro ma Nairobi kwa ihinda riu uhuritwo maita na igire. Ururumukia wa ukui wa mugithi Nairobi arauga utigitie hanyeni na marigo hamwe na gucokia riri wa thoko cia Nairobi.
NMS has embarked on construction of Grogan Road joining Racecourse and Globe Roundabout, which is 70% complete. I'm happy to report to you that, sir, that the Grogan Road workforce is purely street families.
President akigathiriria wira uria urutitwo ni ruhonge ruru thiini wa thiku icio igana tu.
Progress has been made in the areas of implementing the Nairobi Urban Mobility Plan, effecting the non-motorized transport strategy, reviewing the development approvals process, improving solid waste management, streamlining urban renewal projects, and reviewing and improving the governance and transparency models deployed in service delivery.
No arauga kifarua kinene ni kiria kiohetie ruhonge ruru matuko-ini turathie makiria honge-ini cia ukui gwaka na guthondeka barabara na reri gutangira maria maturigiceirie Nairobi kururumukia wonjoria Nairobi uria unyitiriire gicunji kia 60 kia wonjoria wa bururi na ukinyaniria wa mawatho na njira iratia umundu.
The evidence of this progress can already be seen. Our neighborhoods are beginning to look cleaner, and we have hundreds of young people, especially those in vulnerable communities in the city, who are today earning a living, and thousands of households are receiving water closer to home. Road infrastructure is beginning to see the much-needed maintenance works, and pedestrian and cyclist corridors in our business districts are beginning to take shape.
Haduini Hai Noro TV, jitagwo Harun, Jeroge wa Maina.